Okay, well, today's kind of a wash. It's raining so bad I can't get outside and do any cutting, so I got this old Gitty laying around, and I was going to show you how to repair your bone nuts if you ever slot them wrong, or they just get worn down over time. You can repair your nut. You don't have to replace it. And what I use, a lot of people use baking soda, but since I do a lot of shaping on bone nuts, I save all of my bone nut filings. So first thing you gotta do is you gotta tape everything off, get everything taped off, and then get your supplies ready. I use Gorilla Gel super glue. Always use the gel. And then I have a little piece of wire, heavy gauge wire. Once everything's taped off, I go ahead and I get a little piece of paper or something, and I put some of this bone powder on there so it's ready. You can always put it back. And then take your gel super glue and put it in that whichever slot you want to fix. And then before the glue dries, just grab you some of that bone, put it on top of the super glue, and then take your little metal piece and push it down in there. The super glue is going to ooze out. That's why you got to tape everything off. And then I do it again. Put a little drop of super glue on there. And then some more bone powder. Or baking soda, whichever you want to use. If you got a black nut, you're going to have to figure out a way to color it. That's why I like natural bone. Okay, got that one done. And then we just move on to the next one. Don't worry about the way it looks. You're going to take care of all that. Just make sure you get that bone powder in there real good. Get it all down in there nice. A little bit more powder in there. Use that little metal rod, just pack it down in there as hard as you can get it. Harder the better. Work yourself all the way across. I mean, if you only got one slot you got to fix, you can just fix one, but a little more bone powder. Back down in there, get some more. Okay. And go ahead, since this is a 4-stringer, I'll just go ahead and do all 4 of them. This was one of the first Gittys I made that was ever played live. What a way to end up. It's been scavenged off of. I've taken the tuners and all that off of it. Well, there's one tuner left, but she was a good Gitty too. You know you're doing it right when your fingers start to stick together. Okay, I got all that stuff in there. And we'll let that set up, and I'll be right back.